Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the summary of the book Me Before You by Jojo Moyes. It's very lovely, fantastic, amazing, romantic novel. I think you should read this book and I actually highly recommended you to read this book. You will be love this book and I want to say this, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and let's get started about reviewing of the book Me Before You. I can't stand this character and the parts almost making me cry. And yeah, this book it's good. It's brings to life two people who could not have less in common. It's a heartbreaking and romantic novel that asks what do you do when making the person you love happy also means breaking your own heart, which pretty much sums it up. And it's about Louisa Clark, and she's caring for a man who is in a wheelchair. Actually, he had an accident, and so he's pretty much down about himself and about his life, and she's trying to save him. And if I'm talking about Louisa Clark, she is funny, she is witty, and she is clever also. And she is not above making fun of herself for like the clothes the she wears. She very quickie. Yeah, it takes that like classic story of boy saves girl and just flips it on its head, because the girl is really saving the boy, which I thought was very normal. And yeah, I just really enjoyed it. It was refreshing, it was something that was relatable to, I related to it. It's funny, it's surprising, it's heartbreaking. Now I'm reviewing about the summary of this book. So after losing her job, Louisa Clark is desperate for employment because she is her family's sole source of income. So she takes a job that is completely out of her comfort zone as caretaker for a quadriplegic man, and it ends up being much more than she bargained for. The writing of this book was really simple yet really beautiful, and I think that it used like as few words as possible to tell the story, but it told the story really effectively. Because of that, I did really enjoy the writing for the most part. Actually, my one issue was with it was that all it is told from Louisa's perspective, except for there were like 3 or 4 chapters that were told from different characters perspective, and I did not really like that because I found it to be kind of jarring. The inconsistency just made me fall out of the story for a little bit, and it confused me. At first I was trying to kind of figure out who was speaking, and I just kind of got lost a little bit. So I was not really a big fan of the alternative perspectives. Because I think if you are going to do that, you need to do it a lot, or you need to just do it not at all, not just a little bit. That was just a little bit myth for me, and honestly it was kind of unnecessary. And now I'm talking about the characters of this book. As characters go, I really enjoyed the Louisa's character. I don't know why I really like the most, but in the beginning, I felt like I really could identify with her, and I found her to be super quirky, super funny, and kind of annoying. But that made her really realistic, and I think that that's why I felt like a real character to me. She was super aloof too, and really did not know what she wanted to do with her life, which I thought was realistic. I mean, you are 20 something years old, you don't know what you want to do with your life, and it's really scary. And I think you kind of saw her come to terms with that in this book. Will is the quadriplegic man that she ends up taking care of, and he was really hard character to love, but that was very obvious from the beginning. That was intentional, but you really could not help but love him, and you could not help but feel sorry for him. And not because he is in wheelchair, but because of how hard of a time he's having, accepting that how hard he like, how badly he wants to be out of that chair, and you know that there's really no hope for that, so you feel bad about that. Will was very clearly stuck in his own life, and it's just kind of heartbreaking to see, because there's nothing that anyone can do that can fix it. Honestly, his character just really made me want to live my life, which was a huge motive through this book. But I will get to that more when I talk about the plot. The side characters in this book were, for the most part, kind of annoying. The only side character that I didn't hate, I didn't like Louisa's boyfriend. The only characters that I didn't really hate, what a side character, was her sister. I did really like her sister in the beginning. She kind of was mint, but she really ended up growing on me, as well as her father. I liked her father, her mother. I was just like, didn't really like her mom. If I'm talking about the plot, I really liked the plot because I didn't just focus on romance. It really brought in the ideas of, I mean, what are you waiting for? Why are you just going to sit on your phone and do nothing? Go out and live your life. You have the chance to do these amazing things, so go and do them, rather than just sitting at home and doing nothing. I really like that, was such a central part of that plot. I thought that was really strong. I also really liked how it dealt with really important issues that are kind of taboo. You don't want to talk about these things, and this book brings them up and makes you talk about them, so it really starts conversation, which I think it's great. Even though you might not agree with time, how it deals with the things, it one of those things that not everyone's going to be comfortable with, and everyone has opposing thoughts on it because it's such an ethical issue. But I think that having it brought into the book was fantastic because it needs to be talked about. And I really like the relationship between the two characters. You could really see how strong their friendship was, and then as I developed, you saw that, and you could really, it was believable. And I really love this book. This book is fantastic. This book is amazing. I felt that I am emotionally connected to this book and the characters. And actually, I'm saying that you should read this book. You will love this book. So guys, this story is ended up, and if you like the review of the summary of this book, me before you, so please do hit the like button and even also hit the bell icon for more stories. Take care, tata, bye bye.